Now that we've studied a little bit about permutations and combinations, let's look at a few problems and see if we can determine which one is appropriate in each case and then solve it. The first problem we have here is 8 singers will perform for a competition, 5 performing in the morning and 3 in the afternoon. How many ways can the schedule for the morning be made? So how would you answer that question? Pause and think about it for a moment. All right, so there's a key word here. It's schedule. Anytime I'm dealing with schedules or lineups or awards or positions, those are going to imply that order matters. So it's going to tell me that I should be using a permutation. So I'm talking about the morning, and it says here in the morning there are going to be 5 performers out of the 8. So this would be the permutation of 8 things taken 5 at a time, which will lead me to the answer of 6,720 different ways. Now, if you have trouble like getting to that answer, let me know. There are some other videos that we talk a little bit more about getting the answer. What about this next one? What do you think? All right, so Velvet Freeze has 28 different flavors of ice cream, and we just want to know if a customer orders a bowl of 3 scoops of ice cream, how many different bowls could they order? Well, it's put in a bowl, so does it really matter if it's the strawberry chocolate and vanilla or the vanilla chocolate and strawberry? When you look at it in the bowl, it's the same combination. So that's the key thing. This is a combination. So we're going to take the combination of 28 things taken 3 at a time to come up with just 3,276 different bowls of ice cream. All right, one last one. Again, if you think you're getting this, go ahead and pause and work it out and then come back for the answer. All right, let's see how you did. You plan to take 2 of your 4 flannel shirts on your camping trip. How many different combinations are possible? All right, well, this one was a little bit easy because they even gave you the word combinations. It really doesn't matter if you take the red and the yellow flannel or the yellow and the red flannel. You're still taking those 2 shirts. So this one indeed is the combination of 4 things taken 2 at a time. And in this case, the answer is just 6. I hope that helps give you some idea of what the difference is between combinations and permutations, when to use each in each case. I'll have another video that'll give you a quick quiz over all we've studied.